We're at the York County History Center in the Agricultural and Industrial Museum, and today we're looking at trolley cars.
By 1886, a system of tracks had been laid out in York County, and these horse-drawn carriages or trolley cars provided a much smoother ride other than riding on an ordinary carriage throughout town. Within a decade, you began to see the electrification of these cars, and by 1906, there was over 60 miles of track here in York County with over 67 cars in use.
As this system expanded, the railway became a source of recreation for York Countyans. One of these recreational spots was Cold Springs, which runs right through Manchester.
This particular trolley car that Mr. Gimbi and I are sitting in was abandoned in Dover, Pennsylvania in the early 20th century. Before ending up here in the York County Agricultural and Industrial Museum, it resided in many other locations, even attached to a grocery store on Bull Road.